Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is our 5th and final days of 5 days of hype, and whew, it has been an adventure. I think that we have found a bunch of great palettes, and I'm definitely going to keep trying out all of them. But today is probably like my favorite day because I've had this palette for probably 2, maybe 3 months. I haven't tried it yet. The first time it launched, it did go out of stock, so when it restocked, I jumped on it like quick, fast, and in a hurry because I was so excited to try it. And I'm just too excited to keep it a secret anymore. So it is going to be the Tati Beauty Palette Volume 1. Like, this is such a pretty palette. I just cannot wait to try it. It is stunning. Just wait until you see the colors. Just wait. And if you guys don't know who Tati is, she is a YouTuber as well. She's been at it for quite a while now, and she created her own brand. She also has her own brand. It's called Halo, and it's like hair, skin, and nail vitamins. She has a bunch of different stuff, so definitely go check that out. But props to her. I love her as a YouTuber. She has definitely made her dreams come true. So that kind of tells you no matter what your dream is, no matter what you want to do, you know, just keep going, keep grinding, you know, until you get there. Like, don't take no for an answer, because, you know, if you believe hard enough and you do hard and you're strong and you're willed, I mean, it will happen. So props to Tati. I'm so excited to use it. I've heard nothing but great things about it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this makeup palette. But before you guys do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. And yeah, let's see what this palette looks like. So take it out of the little sleeve, and it looks like this. Her packaging is even pretty. Like, I like the matte black, and then it has like kind of like the copper kind of brown color for like, it just says Tati Beauty. It's real simple. I like it. You know, not a lot of flashy stuff. It's just, you know, simple. I like it a lot. And then you open it up. Oh gosh, these, I've seen it before, but like every time I see it, I'm just still, you know, shook. So these are the colors. Like, holy moly, how beautiful are these colors. I just can't get over them. So she has 6 different colors, and then each shade has 4 different types of textures. It's matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. And y'all already know these glitters. Huh? Yeah, can't wait to try them. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and get started on this makeup look. So now that you guys are zoomed in pretty well, this is going to come as no shock to anybody. But we are going to go in first with Soothe, and then we're going to go in with the matte shade as a transition shade. Like I said, that should come as no shock because, you know me, I always be going in with my little neutral transition shade. But it really does set kind of like the tone for everything. We are going to take a fluffy blending brush and concentrate that in the crease and up to the brow bone. It's very pigmented right off the bat, which I've heard nothing but great things about this palette and how pigmented it is and how well everything blends. So kind of not surprised that it's so pigmented. My hair is on its last leg and last day of dry shampoo. I have so much dry shampoo in my hair. But like, I've been busy and I've been lazy, and you know, we'll take care of it this weekend. I think this is such a pretty shade for a transition shade. And honestly, on days where I don't wear a lot of makeup, or if I'm like in a hurry, I will throw bronzer just in the crease and kind of go. So this is actually what I would do like on a normal day where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. So I think this color is actually perfect for every day. Okay, next to deepen up that crease, we are going to take the Matte Story, which is right here. It's kind of like a brownish, orangish, burnt orange kind of shade, so it's actually really, really pretty. And we are just going to take a smaller fluffy brush and just put that in the crease right below that transition shade. I think my brush is falling apart. It's like making squeaky noises, but it's such a good brush. It's by BH Cosmetics. It comes in like a little kit, but it's such a good brush. And this color is also very pigmented, so that's great. We're going to take our first blending brush and just blend out those edges. Okay, and then now to deepen up the crease, we are going to go in with the matte version of Ritual, which is that dark chocolate brown right there, which also should come as no shock to anybody. Oh, that looks really, really pigmented. Oh, hello pigment. Like, when a palette has a lot of pigment, it just, I don't know, it's like Christmas morning, because it's just like great, because that's all you want in a palette, is for it to be good and for it to be pigmented and blend out. And so far these are just blending out like a dream. I just can't. Oh, it's so pigmented and pretty. And we are just placing that where we want it, and then we're going to go in and blend it out. Taking a smaller fluffy brush and blend it out. And we are going to blend it on the outer V and kind of in the crease just a little bit. These are blending out like so good. And we're going to take that first blending brush and blend out the edges. And then for our bottom lash line, we are going to take Ritual and blend that there. It is just kind of like a neutral look, which is kind of like what I wanted to go for today, because we have been doing lots and lots of colors this week. But, I mean, this is like an everyday kind of look for me right now. So you could just stop right here and be perfectly fine, but I have to test out the glitter, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I think I'm going to kind of get a little crazy with the glitter. So I think I'm going to take the glitter Ritual right here, which is that dark brown, and put that in the outer V, and then take Story, which is this burnt orange kind of brownish color, and put that in the middle, and then take the Soothe glitter and put that kind of like in the inner corner and inner part of my eye. I know it's a little extreme, but I want to test out the glitters. They are really soft and very, very pigmented. That's just stunning. Holy crap, look at that. Oh, Tati, girl. The dogs are coming over here because I got a little excited. Look at that glitter. Yes. Tati, yes, girl. Okay, let me calm down. Next, we're going to take the glitter Ritual right here and put that in the middle of the eye. Same formula. Feels real soft. Looks real pigmented. Ooh. I don't know why I'm anything but surprised. Like, I really don't. Shush. I can't get over it. Like, I'm still just like, woo! Like, Tati, girl, you did the damn thing. Excuse my language, but I mean, this is stunning. I mean, I'm literally shook if that, like, even tells you how pretty, like, this is. Okay, then we're going to take the glitter version of Soothe right there, which is that first transition shade. Girl, yes. I probably went a little extreme on the glitter, but it's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go into work and they're gonna be like, I mean, are you going to like the club or something after work? Like, what's going on? I'll be like, no, I'm just really, really excited. I am taking the second blending brush and lightly, gently blend out this crease, because like you don't want to get like glitter falling out like everywhere, because I mean it is glitter, so you are going to get kind of like a fallout. But there's not like a huge amount of fallout like on my face, so I mean that's really good with this kind of glitter, like, because it's very pigmented and very easy to work with. So the fact that I don't have a face full of glitter is amazing. So now I am just going to jump off camera and do mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final eye look. I am blown away with this glitter. Like, this is such a pretty eyeshadow look. Like, I cannot get over it. Everything's so pigmented. The glitter is pigmented. It goes on really well. There's not a lot of fallout with it. They all blend out really nice. Like, this is just like a really good palette. I do really highly recommend going to getting this palette for sure. Like, it's just everything. I am shook. Thank you so much for tuning in this whole week for 5 days of hype. I think it went really well. I think we found a lot of great palettes, especially my standouts were the Jaclyn Hill and the Tati Beauty Palette. I think they were just like awesome. Like, they were so great. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this series and what you want to see next on 5 days of hype, because I definitely enjoyed doing this series and I think I want to continue it. So let me know what you think, you know, next hype product is going to be, and I'll definitely kind of like check out, you know, the 5 most talked about products in that category. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. Also, make sure you do go follow me on all of my social media, especially Instagram. That's where I post the most, and kind of that's where you can keep up with me. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!